How do you get a key for a property wholesaling virtually? So there's a lot of ways you can actually do that. My personal opinion, to get a key, I would say get it mailed to you. You can also have the actual seller put a lockbox on there for you. Most likely what you want to do is put like key under like the mat or something. Have someone like a boots on the ground run up, get a lockbox, put it on there so you can bring your cash buyers through that virtually. A little more work, but again, you're virtually wholesaling, so not really the biggest deal in the world. So I would say that's my favorite way to do it. And then obviously you can have the cash buyer. If you can't get a key, just walk the cash buyer. Have the seller walk the cash buyer through if you really know the cash buyer really well and they won't screw you out of the deal. That's probably what I'd be doing. You just got to be pretty careful, I would say.